Next problem. So in the region r less than 2, d bar is equal to 7r square by 3 ar bar, and in region r greater than 2, the d bar is given 120 r square ar bar. So given in spherical coordinate system, calculate charge density. So here we consider the first case, that is region r less than equal to 2. Now we have the equation of V in the spherical coordinate system. So the divergence theorem says delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square d by dr of r square dr plus 1 by r sin theta d by d theta of sin theta d plus 1 by r sin theta d by d phi of now the given equation of d bar. So what is given equation of d bar? It is d bar is equal to 7r square by 3 ar bar. We consider only 7r square by 3. Now this is equation number 1. This equation does not contain Fi terms and Az term. So we can write equation 1 as delta dot d bar, as it does this equation does not contain Fi and Az term. So equation 1 can be written as 1 by r square d by dr of r square dr, only this term. Now we have value of dr, so we substitute this dr as 7r square by 3 in this equation. So we substitute these values here and we get delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square d by dr, that is r square into 7r square by 3. So it becomes 1 by r square d by dr of 7r raised to 4 by 3. Therefore delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square into 7 into 4 r cube by. So this value is 9.33 r. Now we have the charge distribution. So equation for the charge distribution is, it is rho v is equal to delta dot d bar. So it is 9.33 r coulomb. Now second case. In second case, the region is for region r greater than 2. So here d bar is equal to 120 by r square ar bar. Now according to divergence theorem, delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square d by dr of r square dr. It is 1 by r square. Substitute value here, it is 120 by r square into ar bar. So r square get cancelled, it is 1 by r square, it is 120. So 120 is constant, derivation of constant is 0, so it becomes 0. So charge distribution is rho v, which is equal to delta dot d bar. So this value is 0. In this way we can find the charge density. So next problem, in region less than 2, d bar is equal to 5 r square by 4 ar bar, and for r greater than 2, d bar is equal to 20 by r square ar bar in spherical coordinate. So find charge density. Now case 1, for region r less than 2. So divergence in spherical system is given. Divergence in spherical system is delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square dr of plus 1 by r sin theta d by d theta sin theta plus this is equation number 1. Now in the given region, the equation of d bar is given. So equation of d bar is 5r square by 4 ar bar. This is equation number 2. So this equation does not contain the term fi and az. This equation does not contain term fi and az. So we will eliminate all the terms, and equation 1 becomes delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square d by dr r square dr. So now we substitute this value of d here. So the equation becomes delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square d by dr into r square into 5 r square by 4, which is equal to 1 by r square d by dr of 5r raised to 4 by 4. Then it is 5 by 4 is constant. Derivation of r raised to 4 is r raised to 5 by so its derivation is 4r raised to 5. Sorry, it is cube. It is r raised to 4, so it is 4r raised to 4. 4 get cancelled, so it is 5r. Now we have charge density, same as set of the previous problem. Charge density, it is rho v is equal to delta dot t bar, so it is 5 r coulomb per meter cube. Now second case is for the region r greater than 2. For the region r greater than 2. So d bar is equal to 20 r square ar bar. It is given. Now we have delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r square d by dr, r square into 20 by r square. So it is 1 by r square d by dr of 20. So derivative of constant is 0, this value is 0. So charge density rho v is delta dot d bar is equal to 0. So in this way you can find the charge density.